I miss that sexy smile, looking for the sea.